Hello children, it is time for another art and craft activity. Are you all excited? Well, today we will be doing a paper folding activity and learn how to make a parrot. And just not craft, we will also draw something for the parrot and stick our parrot in the drawing book. So keep your origami papers ready, especially the green color, and keep your box of crayons, pencils, and your drawing book ready. Are you all excited? Let's begin.
So children, get ready with your origami paper, crayons, pencil and some glue. And let's begin. So children, teacher has taken a square origami paper. I have taken a green color paper. If you do not have a green color paper, you can take any other color. Now children, just turn the square into a shape of a diamond. Do you see how we have placed the square paper? Like a diamond. Now listen carefully. Do you see these 2 points? We will pick up this point and fold the paper till this point and make a shape of a triangle. Do you see how I've made a triangle here? Now with your index finger, just press on the paper and fold it neatly. Now let's open the paper again. Do you see how we have divided this diamond by making a straight line in the center? Now listen what to do next. Now children, what we will do next is, do you see this point? Take this point till this line. Let me show you how. When you fold the paper like this with this point on the line, you will get a shape like this. Again, use your index finger and press the paper like this. Similarly, take this point and flap it towards the center, just like you did the first one, like this. And with your index finger, press it. Now do you see what have we made over here? Let's turn this piece. Oh, we have a shape of an ice cream. This is the cone and this is the ice cream. Now children, listen what to do next. Children, after we have turned it into a shape of an ice cream, do you see these two flaps that are coming up? Now again, take this point on this side of the flap and bring it outside. Do you see we are making a smaller triangle by bringing the paper outside with that point? Again, use your index finger and press it this way, right till the end of our cone. Similarly, this point, bring it on the outside like this and press it towards the end of the cone. Do you see we have made these two flaps turning outward? So children, this is how the entire shape will look like now. Now all you have to do is pick up the paper and just fold it like this and press it again. This way. Now children, the longer end of the triangle, we will use this point to make the beak of the parrot. So children, we will take the longer part of the triangle and see how I'm going to fold it. Take this point and fold it inwards this way. Do you see what we have made? We have made the beak of the parrot. Do you see how we have made the shape of our parrot? Now it's time to give our parrot its wings, eyes, and legs. So let me show you how to do that. Children, pick up your pencil or a black crayon. Teacher is using a black pen. Right here, we will give our parrot its eye. So make a nice circle, and with your black crayon, you can color it. Just make a bumpety ear like this. Now, on this side, we will give our parrot its wings. So we will start from this point. A nice curved bumpety that will go till here and stop. You can give nice bumpety strokes on the wings, just like how teacher is doing it. On this part here, children, we will give our parrot its legs. So we will make one standing line and another standing line, and slant lines like these, and a straight line. We have given our parrot its legs. Now we are going to stick this parrot in our drawing book. Let me show you how. Now children, open your drawing book to a new page. Prepare the page like this. Put today's date, that is 25.8.2021. And parents, kindly help them with the title of today's activity, that is art and craft activity. Now children, you all have made the parrot, but where will you make the parrot sit? Let's draw a small branch for our parrot. Let me show you how. So children, take your pencil and let's draw a small branch for our parrot. You can draw a nice curved line like this and another one a little away from it. Same way. Now let's give the branch some leaves. You will use your brown color to color the branch and green color to color the leaves. Let's take a brown color and start coloring the branch. So we have colored the branch. Now let's pick up the green color and color the leaves. Now we have finished coloring the leaves. Children, you can give some more leaves to the branch if you wish to. Now let's bring our parrot, and we will be sticking the parrot on the branch like this. So let's do it. Now I have applied the glue behind the parrot and I have placed it here on the branch and press it so that our parrot gets fixed well. Yes, our parrot is already sitting on the branch. Children, you can also pick up a red color and color the beak of the parrot. So do you see, children, how pretty our parrot looks? Also, what you could do is the flap that opens up here, you can place a little glue on this part and stick it so that the flap does not open again and again. Children, this is how your page will look like. I hope you all enjoyed making the parrot. Thank you.